cooking, babe?
Some chicken legs or whatever, some drumsticks.
Mm-hmm.
Got a little special marinade that I do. Italian dressing, a little bit of soy sauce, my favorite mesquite seasoning, and onion powder, garlic powder. And toss that in there, let it sit for maybe 30 minutes so that it'll soak all in. Throw in some legs. Y'all know my stilo. Love to smoke. I'm gonna drop this piece of wood right there. That right there. Walk away. Oh, you know this campfire cooking with you today. Got some bad news yesterday. Found out my cousin passed away. I wasn't there. Hurt by that. You got friends or family, I'm saying especially cousins. Reach out to them, call them, cancer. So, I don't want to get too emotional. Go to